with a get ready with me video, fall/autumn edition. So enjoy me and my process of me getting ready of my hair and my makeup. So I always begin with my eye makeup, and the first thing I do is curl my eyelashes. I am not blessed with great eyelashes. They are sparse, they are straight, they are short, so bear with me as they take forever to curl into something that you can't even notice. If you relate to this, I feel your pain, I really do. Moving on, I then go in and prime my eyes, and I prime my eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion because it's the only good primer that I have. This fall/autumn look, I am going with shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going in first of all with this matte reddish shade and applying this all over my small lids. So I bought this palette back when they either didn't have shade names or they just didn't bother to include shade names. But what I'm trying to say is my palette didn't come with any of the names for the shades. So I don't know what shades I am using. I will look them up and put them in the description. But as for the time being, I do not know what shades I'm using. The next shade I will be using is this shimmery pinky purpley shade, and I am just going to apply it on the inner half of my lids. And I do this a lot with my looks because I feel like my eye shape is quite flat and I feel like it gives it a little bit more dimension, you know. I then went in with my favorite shade of the palette, so I had to include this in my autumn look. It's this deep reddish brown color, and I'm applying that to the lower part of my lid, just kind of, you know, blending that in. Last eyeshadow color I am using is this dark brown color. I mean, like I said, my eye shape is flat, so I feel like I should always darken whatever eyeshadow look I'm doing. The next step is eyeliner, and I've been using this same eyeliner for so long, pretty much for as long as I can remember. What I'm doing right now is just creating a wing, and then after I apply my eyelashes, I will continue with the rest of the eyeliner. I'm just giving a rough guideline right now. Okay, so because I have monolids, it really is a struggle to do my eyebrows after I apply my false eyelashes. So now is the time and go in and do my eyebrows. So I'll go in with this ash brown shade in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I fill in my brows with that. After that, I go in with Soap & Glory's Brow Archery in Hot Chocolate, filling in the more precise areas. Finally, I set my brow hairs in place, and I use Maybelline's Brow Drama in dark brown. After I've done my brows, I can now go ahead and do my eyelashes, and I'm going to be applying my cheap Amazon eyelashes. As I mentioned before, I go in and I finish my eyeliner after my lashes are applied. I just find that this is easier in blending my lash line with my eyeliner. Okay, so we can now go into face makeup. The first step in this face process is moisturizer. I am using Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream. I really do need to buy a new primer, but I'm using Benefit's Professional to prime my face. As for foundation, I want to go for a nice light natural look, so I'm going to be using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Water Fresh Makeup. So once I have done putting my foundation on my face, this is where I like to go in and clean up my eyebrows. I like letting my foundation rest on my face for a little bit before I start blending it in with my beauty blender. And you know the concealer I'm going to be using, and it is Maybelline's The Eraser Eye, and I'm going to be blending that again with the Beauty Blender. Then set my face with a setting powder and contour with Faced Chocolate Soliel Bronzer in medium deep. I am going in with this gorgeous bronze color from the Becca Cosmetics Ocean Jewels highlighter palette, and it is in the shade Sunstone, and I'm going to be highlighting the high points of my face. Of course, you know, it ain't an autumn look without a deep colored lipstick, so I'm going in with this matte liquid lipstick by Gerrard Cosmetics to complete this nice autumn glam look. step to this is my hair, and I feel that loose big curls or waves really do go well with any sort of autumn look. I don't know, I just kind of associate curly hair with autumn for some reason. Don't know if that's just me or not, probably just me, but anyways, I am going to just simply be grabbing random sections of my hair and just curling the ends. For my fall/autumn get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!